Hey guys, welcome to Tag, and I'm the average guy, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Xiaomi TS Computer Glasses. Now, the reason of why I'm kind of doing an unboxing is because of my work. So because of my work, I have to spend a lot of time in front of the computer screen, and recently I came into a position where my eyes started to hurt. I went to the doctor, but there wasn't any issue other than uh, my eyes going through a lot of stress, and that's probably because of all the work that I have to do. So at that point, I kind of remembered back in the early times, well, not early times, like I think at 2001 at least, um, where you could find third-party screen that used to block blue light from the monitor, and at that time it was effective, I guess, but it was very big. It was very heavy, and it didn't look pretty, to be honest. It was more like a computer screen that has eye issues. But anyway, when I got reminded of that, I thought of looking in the internet and searching for something similar to it, and that's where I stumbled upon this. Xiaomi is making these computer glasses that um, helps block the blue light that emits from the screen. So if you're wearing these glasses, you'll have less stress in your eye. And I think this is way better than the screen that used to get back in 2001 at least. So I thought, why not? And these are very cheap. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, I thought of giving it a try. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see what it has. So when I bought it with the black frame. Um, I think it would be, I think black is simple. Uh, I think there was frameless one as well, but I don't really like it being frameless. I think having a little sturdy with the frame all over it kind of gives it a greater durability to the glass. So yeah. So as you can see, this is the glass itself. It's covered. I'll put the glass right over here. Then you have a wipe for cleaning your glass. I think this is a warranty card. And this is a catalog for older computer glasses and polarized glasses. So they also do that, I guess. And then you have a pouch. Put that away. And let's just go back to the glasses. All right. The glasses feel light. I think that's really good because since it's going to be in your eye for a very long period of time, so being light, it's going to give you less stress overall as you wear it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a yellowish tint. I think that's where the blue light blocking comes from. I think that's good. Other than that, I really like the frame. It's pretty light, but it looks sturdy. I think it looks great. Yeah. I am not a glass user. I don't wear glasses. So I really don't have a lot of experience when it comes to glasses, that's for sure. But I think when it comes to spectacles or glasses, you could change these. I'm not so sure, but over here they're very soft. They're very soft, and they don't seem to be. I think I'm not so sure. I don't think you can change them, but they are soft, so I don't think they're I don't. They won't really stress on your nose. These things. I think that's really nice. But I don't know how it will work out. I do have to check later on. Other than that, you do have screws over here that you can tighten or loose for the traction. Other than that, yeah, it looks great. I will wear this, of course, and see if whether are there any benefits or am I seeing any results of it or not. If it's whether the same or something has changed, I'll surely let you guys know. Other than that, that's it for the unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like the video, please like it and share if you guys love it. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.